Hi everyone, today I would like to show how to compare two different versions of the drawing. As you can see on this drawing, I have two different versions created side by side. With naked eyes, you will not be able to detect the differences between them easily. In GstarCAD, we can use a tool called Graphic Compare to help us both to compare and list out the differences. In the Express Tool tab, click on Graphic Compare. This will bring out the Graphic Compare dialog box. Now, let's click on the first button and select the first drawing version. Right click and select the first base point. Click on the second button, select the second drawing version. Right click and select the second base point. Now, we can either insert the differences onto the current document, or we can export the comparison result to a file. We can also edit the output settings by clicking on this button. I will just change the color display of the comparison result over here and click on the OK button to confirm all the settings. Now, let's place the comparison result on the drawing. And then over here, you can easily see the differences between the two versions of the drawing easily by identifying the color differences. That's all for this edition of Tips and Tricks. Thanks for watching.